Hi, this is Mike Darda with Compass Realty and the Darda Group giving you your March 2026 market update for the Fort Myers Cape Coral real estate market. And we're going to jump right in with the sales of single family homes. In February, we saw a 12% decline in the number of homes that have sold and closed escrow. 617 homes closed escrow last month compared to 705 the same month a year ago. Inventory is actually down 19% year over year, and that's a good thing. That'll go a long way to stabilizing the market. So we're seeing a downward trend with the number of homes for sale, with 5,888 for sale now versus 7,317 a year ago. Days on the market is remaining relatively the same, 82 days on the market. The absorption rate, meaning if nobody bought another home, how long would it take to sell all of the homes on the market, is at 9.5 months supply. Now, remember from earlier videos, we talked about this 6 months or more supply is a buyer's market. So we're solidly in a buyer's market where there are more sellers who want to sell than there are buyers to buy. And as a result, homeowners are noticing it is taking longer to get their homes sold, and homeowners that are looking to speed up this whole process of selling their home, we are still seeing significant numbers of price adjustments occurring in our marketplace. Interest rates are running at about 5.99% right now. That is down from 6.78%. And that is important to know because every 1% rates adjust, it affects the buyer's purchasing power by 10%. So buyers are gaining purchasing power right now as the interest rates decline. The average sale price is $486,000 right now, virtually the same as it was last year at this time at $485,000. Rents, however, are dropping. Rents dropped 6.5% year over year. $2,169 a month is the average now versus $2,320 a year ago. And this is largely due to both homeowners and builders with spec homes pivoting from selling and deciding to rent instead due to the prices. And as a result, we have an abundance of rentals on the market, and there's a great selection for anyone looking to rent a home right now. Permits, we monitor the Cape Coral permit data because it's very current and accurate, and there's actually 150 permits pulled last month for new construction. That's down 7% from a year ago when we had 162 pulled. This is a trend we've been seeing now for about 3 years as builders are still hesitant and investors are hesitant to jump into the marketplace and build new construction because there's still a lot of new construction product that is out there remaining unsold. Looking ahead, we still have peak season ahead of us. So season starts January 1st. It usually runs through the end of April. And typically, March and April are our two best months for sales all year long in this market. And it's not unusual to see 20% more buyers in the marketplace this time of year than you will see in the off season. So if you're a seller and your home hasn't sold yet, or you're thinking about selling, you still have time to cash in on this great time of year. So if you have any questions about these market stats and how they might affect you, whether you're buying a home or selling a home, we invite you to reach out and call us. Mike Darda, Compass Realty, and thank you so much for watching.